Is sugar-free really healthy? The shocking truth nobody talks about. What if I told you that the sugar-free cookies, diet drinks, and healthy snacks sitting in your kitchen might not be as healthy as you think? And what if I told you that some people are actually gaining weight while trying to lose it with sugar-free products? It sounds surprising, but it's true. Every day, millions of people choose products labeled sugar-free, no added sugar, diet-friendly, or low-calorie, believing they are making a healthier choice. But here's the question. Does removing sugar automatically make a product healthy? Or is it possible that these labels are simply a marketing strategy designed to make products appear healthier than they really are? In today's video, we're going to uncover the truth behind the sugar-free industry. We'll explore what artificial sweeteners really do inside the body, why some sugar-free products may still contribute to weight gain, and what healthier alternatives you should consider instead. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final tip could completely change the way you shop for food. The hidden risks of sugar-free products. Risk number 1. Sugar-free does not mean calorie-free. Let's start by clearing up one of the biggest misconceptions. Many people assume that if a product contains no sugar, it must also be low in calories. But that's not always the case. When manufacturers remove sugar from a product, they often need to add other ingredients to maintain taste and texture. In many cases, this means adding extra fats, refined carbohydrates, or other processed ingredients. As a result, a product can still contain a significant number of calories even without sugar. This is one reason why some people continue eating sugar-free cookies, chocolates, and snacks while wondering why their weight isn't changing. Your body doesn't respond to marketing labels. It responds to the total nutrition and calorie content of what you eat. Risk number 2. The artificial sweetener problem. Now let's talk about artificial sweeteners. Many sugar-free products rely on ingredients such as aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, and similar sweetening chemicals. These ingredients are designed to provide sweetness without large amounts of sugar. The problem is that your body does not always respond to them the same way it responds to natural foods. For some people, artificial sweeteners may contribute to bloating, digestive discomfort, gas, and stomach irritation. Have you ever consumed a diet drink or sugar-free snack and felt unusually bloated afterward? Artificial sweeteners may be one possible reason. Not everyone experiences these effects, but digestive complaints related to artificial sweeteners are common enough that researchers continue to study them closely. Risk number 3. Damage to gut health. This is where things become even more concerning. Inside your digestive system lives a vast community of bacteria known as the gut microbiome. These bacteria help regulate digestion, immune function, metabolism, and even mood. Emerging research suggests that some artificial sweeteners may negatively affect the balance of beneficial gut bacteria. When healthy bacteria become less abundant, digestion can become less efficient. This may contribute to bloating, constipation, digestive discomfort, and other gastrointestinal issues. And because gut health influences so many aspects of overall health, the effects may extend far beyond digestion alone. A healthy gut supports a healthy body. That's why protecting it should be a priority. Risk number 4, increased sugar cravings. This may be the most surprising risk of all. When you consume something sweetened with artificial sweeteners, your taste buds detect sweetness immediately. Your brain receives a signal that something sweet is arriving. However, very little energy or calories actually follow. This can create a mismatch between what the brain expects and what the body receives. For some people, this may lead to stronger cravings for sweet foods later in the day. In other words, the very products people use to reduce sugar consumption may sometimes make them crave more sweetness than before. And stronger cravings often make healthy eating much more difficult. What should you do instead? Tip number 1. Learn to read food labels. Never assume a product is healthy simply because the front of the package says sugar-free. Turn the package over. Read the ingredient list carefully. That's where the real story is hidden. Marketing claims are designed to attract attention. Ingredient lists reveal what's actually inside. Tip number 2. Recognize hidden names for sweeteners. Many sweeteners appear under names that consumers may not recognize. Some common examples include maltitol, sorbitol, erythritol, xylitol. These ingredients are often used to provide sweetness, while allowing companies to market products as sugar-free. Understanding these names can help you make more informed choices when shopping. Tip number 3. Choose less processed foods. As a general rule, the more processed a food is, the more likely it is to contain additives, sweeteners, and other ingredients that may not support long-term health. Whenever possible, focus on foods that are closer to their natural form. Simple foods often require fewer labels and fewer explanations. Tip number 4. Consider natural alternatives. If you enjoy sweetness, but want to reduce your intake of processed sugar and artificial chemicals, some people choose natural alternatives. Two commonly used options are stevia, monk fruit. These plant-based sweeteners are often used as alternatives to traditional sugar and artificial sweeteners. However, moderation is still important. Even healthier choices should be part of a balanced overall diet. So today, we learned an important lesson. Just because something is labeled sugar-free does not automatically mean it is healthy. A marketing label tells only part of the story. The ingredient list tells the rest. Good health doesn't come from a single miracle product. It comes from knowledge, balanced nutrition, and smart daily decisions. The next time you pick up a sugar-free snack, drink, or dessert, don't stop at the front label. Take a closer look. Read the ingredients. Understand what you're putting into your body. Because the choices you make every day have a powerful impact on your long-term health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with friends and family so they can learn the truth about sugar-free products too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more science-based health content that helps you make better everyday decisions. And remember, your future health is built by the small choices you make today.